Time now is 1800 hours. This is Anthony Buccieri, supervising dispatcher number 40 of the Bronx. Signing off for the last time. Very emotional day for me. First time in 68 years there will be no Buccieri in the New York City Fire Department. I'd like to thank all my fellow dispatchers, supervising dispatchers, chief dispatchers, directors, deputy directors, for all the help and guidance and support, and for being you. Because you are what makes this job. You are the best damn dispatchers in the world, and I am so proud to call myself one of yous. I want to thank my family, because without their love and support, I wouldn't be the man that I am today, and I wouldn't be here with all of you doing the job that we do and that we love so much. To all my brothers and sisters out there on the other side of this radio, keep doing what you do. Stay safe, stay well, stay low, and let it blow. And remember, when you got the knob, over your head and all around. With that, I would like to say goodbye for a wonderful career in the FDNY and the New York Fire Patrol. Rest in peace to our 344 brothers who died that day. Never forget Fire Patrolman Keith Roma, Fire Patrol number 2. God bless you all. God bless America. Stay safe and well. The Booch is signing off, station KED 962. God bless. The time now is 1802 hours. Dispatcher 40.
Who wants that, brother?
What unit was that, caller?
51 truck to the Bronx.
Tower ladder 5-1. Come in.
Congratulations on your retirement. Enjoy.
Thank you. I'd probably bark over the radio, but I might get in trouble. God bless.
63 to the Bronx.
Big Blue, come in.
Happy retirement, Booch. Have a good one.
Thank you. You guys stay safe out there.
Marshal Portable Battalions to the Bronx.
I heard a fire marshal portable in there.
Go get him, brother. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
Battalion 7 to Bronx 4-0, K.
Battalion 7, K.
Hey, Bush, from all your brothers down here in Midtown, we wish you the best of luck, and thank you for your service.
Thank you. Stay safe down there in Midtown. 19 truck.
2748, you go with the 1029-1 or 10-8.
It's 10-4, 19 truck. We got it.
Ladder 1 out of the Bronx.
19 truck.
Enjoy your retirement. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
6 to the Bronx.
63 engine.
Congratulations and enjoy your retirement. 233rd Street.
Thank you, engine 63. I see 17 Henry is calling me. 17 Henry, you out there?
Yeah, 17 Henry. Hey, Bush, congrats on your retirement. You were a charter member at 17 Henry, and we're wishing you all the best in retirement. Take care, brother.
Thank you, guys. Stay safe out there.
42 engine to the Bronx.
Engine 42K.
Congratulations. Enjoy your retirement from the OK Corral.
Thank you, Engine Company 42.
Citywide to the Bronx gig.
Citywide, go ahead.
Anthony, a career short, nothing short of class and professionalism. Enjoy your retirement, though.
Thank you, Billy. Appreciate it. Enjoyed working with you. God bless.
Tower ladder
5-8. Come in.
Booch, on behalf of the Eagles, the Vice Guys, the 1-8 Battalion, and the late dispatcher 281. Congratulations, and stay well.
Thank you, Ladder 5-8. You guys stay safe over there on Vise Avenue. Ladder 1-7, you were calling?
Tower Ladder 1-7. Men of the Green Berets wish you the best.
Thank you, Ladder 1-7.
Ladder Company 27 to the Bronx.
27 truck, come in.
Enjoy a happy and healthy retirement from your brothers at the Cross Bronx Expressway.
Thank you. Stay safe out there.
Fire dispatch training to the Bronx.
Fire Dispatch Training Unit.
We wish you all the best in retirement. Congratulations and God bless.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
Manhattan Central Office to the Bronx.
Manhattan Central Office, okay?
Booch, congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for your years of service to the city, through EMS, Fire Patrol, and Fire Dispatch. We'll miss you and have a happy and healthy retirement.
Thank you. I always enjoyed working with you guys in Manhattan.
Queen CO calling the Bronx.
Queens Central Office, okay?
Booch, on behalf of your brothers and sisters across the bridge, we wish you a happy and healthy retirement. Enjoy your brother.
10-4. Always had a good time working with you guys in Queens as well.
Brooklyn Central Office to the Bronx, okay?
Brooklyn Central Office, okay?
Booch from Empire to PSAC 1, all the best. Congrats on your retirement.
Thank you, Brooklyn. Take care.
Ladder 49 to the Bronx.
49 truck, okay?
Ladder 49. Congrats on retirement. Enjoy it from the boys on the hill.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Molly to the Bronx.
Car 4 Charlie, okay?
On behalf of the staff of the New York City Fire Department, thank you for your service and best wishes for a long and healthy retirement. Kay.
Thank you, Car 4 Charlie.
3829.
Ladder 3-8, come in.
And the boys on Belmont, congrats on your retirement.
Thank you very much, 88 and 38. Appreciate it. Ladder 29? Ladder 29, go ahead.
Wishing you a happy and healthy retirement from all those bums on the hill.
10-4, thank you, 83 and 29.
Ladder 56 to their 4th.
Ladder Company 56, okay?
Congratulations on your retirement from Engine 48, Ladder 56, and Division 7.
Thank you, Engine 48, Ladder 56, Division 7. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there. Tower Ladder 44, were you calling?
And 4, on behalf of Engine 92, Ladder 4, and the 17 Battalion, wishing you a happy and healthy retirement.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Stay safe.
33 truck to the Bronx.
Tower ladder 3-3. Come in, Kay.
On behalf of Engine 75, Ladder 33, Battalion 19, hope you have a happy and healthy retirement.
Thank you, 7533 and a 19. I appreciate it.
90 to the Bronx.
Engine 90, okay?
Congratulations from Engine 90, Ladder 41. Enjoy.
Thank you, 90 and 41. Appreciate it.
73 to the Bronx.
Engine 73.
Have a happy and healthy retirement from La Casa Caca and Prospect Avenue.
Thank you, 73 engine.
One of the Bronx.
Squad Company 41, Kay.
Thanks for your years of service and congratulations on your retirement, brother.
Thank you, squad. Stay safe.
EMS Hashtag Battalion, the Bronx Fire.
EMS Hashtag Battalion.
Well, thank you for your years of service and congratulations.
Thank you. Stay safe out there.
39 to the Bronx.
Hook and Ladder Company 39, Kay.
Congratulations on retirement from the busiest killer in the Bronx.
You got that right. You boys stay safe out there on 233rd Street.
Not for the Bronx.
94 engine.
Congratulations on a wonderful career. Wishing you a happy and healthy retirement from the Fruit House. You've earned every moment ahead.
Thank you, 94 and 48.
Engine 5-2 of the Bronx.
52 engine.
Congratulations on your retirement. Good luck. Enjoy.
10-4. Thank you much.
1 Henry to Bronx 5.
EMS Unit 10 Henry.
Hey, this is members of 10 Henry working overtime in Queens, so wanted to wish you a happy retirement for El Barrio.
10-4. Thank you. Stay safe.
Just one to the Bronx.
61 truck.
Members of Engine 66, Ladder 61, want to wish you a happy retirement.
10-4. Thank you. Signal 57 for Bronx Fox 3707, 3025 Godwin Terrace. That's off of Kimberly Place. Alarm activation, apartment 3 Edward. That's a signal 57 for Bronx Fox 3707. The address 3025 Godwin Terrace, off of Kimberly Place. Alarm activation, apartment 3 Edward.
Battalion 3 to the Bronx.
3rd Battalion.
From Battalion 3 on Seneca Ave, enjoy your retirement. From the best aide on the job, thank you for your service. Heavy is the crown.
Thank you, Battalion 3.
Engine 81 to the Bronx.
81 engine.
On behalf of the Bailey Avenue Bombers, congratulations on your retirement. Enjoy and be safe.
10-4. Thank you, 81 and 46. Stay safe.
Engine 71 to the Bronx.
71 engine.
Engine 71, on behalf of Engine 71, Ladder 55, Division 6, wishing you a long and happy, healthy retirement.
Thank you, 7155 in the 6th Division. Appreciate it. Bronx unassigned Class 3 Box 4354. The address 2311 Delanoy Avenue, Waring Avenue to Astor Avenue, for an automatic alarm in the basement. Bronx unassigned Class 3 Box 4354, 2311 Delanoy Avenue, Waring Avenue to Astor Avenue, for an automatic alarm in the basement. Time now 1817, Bronx Dispatcher 40.
Ladder 3-2 to the Bronx.
32 truck.
Congrats on the retirement. You got a apartment for 4930?
Stand by, ladder 32, stand by. Bronx to ladder 32.
Ladder 3-2.
Nothing further on this.
Ladder 3-2, 10-4. Happy, healthy retirement to you.
Thank you, ladder 32.
Down to Bronx.
What unit calling the Bronx?
Staten Island to Bronx.
Oh, Staten Island CO, come in.
Enjoy your retirement, Booch, from all the members here at Staten Island Dispatch.
Thank you, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Time now is 1819 hours. Bronx Dispatch 40 signing off. God bless.